this is from storage. I haven't seen it in years.
Wow, you had all these closets and no one in your family is gay?
Look, it's the Louis the 16th I used to have in my playroom. My cousin Peter and I used to climb in here and play French Revolution. I'd be Marie Antoinette and he'd help me put my hair up in a high chignon. Oh, now I'm feeling bad for his wife.
So where do you think the cup is?
Let's look over there. Oh, this is from the summer house. Max, you know the expression born with a silver spoon in your mouth? This is mine.
Dimia.
Oh, stop it.
Kyle! Fucking Kyle! Muffin, come here! Oh, no. Oh, Muffin! Whoa!
Está bien, ¿oyó?
Oh, bitch, you got me fucked up!
Bitch, I'm your shit! Bitch!
Oh! Fue a esto.
Nada.
Macaroni turns one. Oh, ow.
Can you hold on?
Oh my god! Don't do that.
doing, buddy?
A partir de hoy, perdón.
Shit, there you go.